up making my own homecoming dress.
I know you read the title, and you have to stay tuned to the end to find out what help we got from.
Ew, I can't believe my mom wanted me to wear these ugly dresses. Like, look at that one. Like, she wanted me to wear that for homecoming. What is that?
That is the pattern. That's the fabric color. It's pretty. And that's all the paper we used trying to make a pattern. Eventually, this is what happened. So, pray for us.
Excuse me, I love you. Who starts a conversation like that? Nobody but I do. But you are not a picture. I can cut you up or hide you. I'll get you out my mind. I try to. Why you in my dreams? I knew you knew how to beat it. You knew how to treat it. You knew how to keep it. I wanna do more than touch you. I'm trying to turn two single people into a couple. What's your next month like? Tell me what you up to. We can leave right now. Nigga, you don't need a double. The perla, provocateur secrets. How is it a secret if I know you're gonna pick this?
Okay.
What are you gonna say?
No, go. To the people.
This is what I'm doing. I'm just gonna be here to go and I'm still gonna say it so I remember what I'm saying. This is the interfacing of
Fusible interfacing.
the fusible interfacing that I'm using to put this on the shirt.
I love you. I'm feeling like I know you. I can't help but wanna thug you. I'm watching all these broads trying so damn hard, but I can't even blame them cause you're so irresistible. I wanna stand in here. I would never dare to tell. Think I heard some wedding bells. Is this real? Ooh, child, I can stop praying now. Past life, let's rewind to the day when I met you. Go back. Dear God, how could I forget you? Boy, it feels just like a dream to me. Now, before you speak, don't move, cause I don't wanna wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up.
Are you worried about anything? Are you...
I'm worried.
Okay, let me know your concerns.
I'm worried it's not gonna turn out right and then I'm gonna look stupid last minute and then I'm not gonna wanna go and then I'm gonna cry on the day of the dance. Something always goes wrong. It's either gonna be this dress or my hair, my makeup, or something.
Well, that's why we trying to do it in enough time to have it done. We got like 2 weeks. Let's get back to work.
Speak, don't move, cause I don't wanna wake up, 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 wake up. Such a dream, if you can believe.
Okay. Cheating yawn like 3 times in this video. Just within this last minute, cheating yawn 3 times. If she don't get up and go to bed, say bye to the people. She got to go to bed for the night. She still got school in the morning. And we be back doing this tomorrow.
It's Friday, so I'll have more time. You can stay up longer. Oh wait, but I have a game.
I'm looking at you like, for real.
But I have a game tomorrow.
You don't play anything, girl.
I'm a flag leader.
What does that
I'm in
mean?
mobs.
You a mob wife? You black girl that we don't do that? You a black girl, cause I ain't no Harlem black girl. No lie, I thought that's what she said. So we not gonna sew a dress?
Not right now.
I'm good. At least we build the energy because we were exhausted. And I guess just dance gives her a little bit of energy. So I'm gonna let her have this moment. And guess what? We going back to getting that dress. You alright? You tired?
No.
How you not tired? You just said you was tired like 2 minutes ago.
Now come on.
Okay. So we just, this little part right here, show it. We had to make a pattern for that so it can go around, all the way around her back. Like that's the bodice part, see? Come on.
This is the best song. This was a good song on this dance.
Take out that one.
I remember there was more than one.
Girl, you gonna step on one of them, put it on the carpet. Yeah. I'm trying to teach her how to use this, y'all.
Come on. Come on.
Yeah.
I know. I'm smart.
You smart. Yeah. You is smart. You is kind.
Come on. I forgot where that's from.
Girl, why is that line like that? Look at that. You have to pay attention. Look how the line just drifted over. Now these are not connected. We got to take that out and redo that. No, ma'am. It don't work like that. No, it doesn't. It has to line up with the other side. It doesn't work.
I know. It will do that.
No, the stitch is in the middle right here. We're going to take that out and do it again. We're going to see y'all in a minute.
I'm taking out the thread.
Why? What happened?
Well, we already showed it in the last.
Okay, well, let's see let's see.
Why would happen?
So basically, you see how it's not even? That's the problem. It should be the same all the way across. And what does that do?
Rip it out.
Hey there, boy, I love you. I'm feeling like I know you. I can't help but wanna thug you. I'm watching all these broads trying so damn hard, but I can't even blame them cause you're so irresistible. I wanna stand in here, I would never dare to tell. Think I heard some wedding bells. Is this real? Ooh, child, I can stop praying now. Past life, let's rewind to the day when I met you.
Aggressive. How do you feel?
I feel good
About the dress.
I haven't seen the dress.
It was Trinity and Taylor's turn.
And what else?
No, those
It sounds pretty.
It sounds pretty.
Yes. How am I supposed to know how it looks? I don't know how it looks. I don't know the
How can a dress sound?
like the color, the way you describe
So
it.
the
It
color-
sounds pretty. It sounds pretty.
So
what do you want me to say? It sounds ugly? You want me to say it's ugly? I haven't seen it yet.
there's no sound.
What are you guys talking?
Okay, the way she described it, it seems pretty. Are you happy?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Past life, let's rewind to the day when I met you. Go back. Dear God, how could I forget you? Your sex, boy, it feels just like a dream to me. Now, before you speak, don't move, cause I don't wanna wake up.
What if we line it with something different to make it look more original? Something like that. So it'll show only on the inside. Stop moving it. It has these little dragons on it.
I thought I was gonna be the one saying this. So, seriously.
Okay. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Like-
Go ahead.
So my mom got a new fabric, and it's gonna be in the lining of the dress.
Dream, you can believe, boy, you're such a dream to me. Yeah.
Trin. Why is it, right? Show people you got your nails done. Show everybody your nails. Boom, she got the nails done, right? The first time Trinity got her nails done. See her toes? Can we see those? All right, they're white. Okay. Since Trinity got her nails done for homecoming, every time I ask her to do something, it's like, I can't do this. I have nails now. I can't pick up the water. I have nails now. I can't take out the trash. I got nails now. I can't wash the dishes. I got nails now. Why are you not saying I can't put this food in my mouth? I got nails down. Put the food down, girl. I don't want to mess with your nails. Trin. What? You need to live. You better learn how to use them nails with living. When I ask you to do something, you need to figure out how to do it with the nails. See, you about to drop your food because you can't pick up your plate. You can't hold your plate with the nails. See how that works? Nails. Now, you trying to figure out how to eat with nails? Nails. I don't know if you need nails again. You need to leave them nails alone. Micarah, Tewers, I don't know how to say her name. Anyway, they both helped us to make this dress possible. Micarah actually shows the detail of her work on her channel. Scholl inspired us by her other homecoming dresses that she had made so far. And she even went so far as to say in the last one for us to try to make our own homecoming dress. So that's what we did. Okay. Hey, get it, get it, break it down, break it down, break it down, break it down. Okay, let me start here. All right. Get it, girl.
Boy, you're such a dream to me. Yeah. Yeah. Got me concerned. Please don't disturb me, can't you see? I'm happily asleep, yeah. Now, before you speak, don't move, 'cause I don't wanna wake up.
So thank you for watching this video. It took a lot of stuff. It took a lot of planning. It took a lot of time, hours. Like it was like a lot.
And the reason why you don't see me doing the dress is because I got some issues with my hand right now. So I can't. So that's why she's doing it. But, I mean, I had to tell her everything to do. All right.
Bye.
You want me to do it with?
Yes.
Oh, girl.
Yes.
Trinity.
Yes.
Trinity. I don't feel like getting up there. Trinity.
Let's do promiscuous girl.
What? I gotta dance to this?
Yeah.
20 minutes later.
What? I'm the girl. Come on.
I was a girl before you was a girl. What are you talking about? I don't know what you doing. Hey. Girl. Girl, this is too much already. I can't do this.
Mom. I can't do this.
Yes, you can.
Why you moving?
Because I'm a girl too.
I'm getting you.
Really, I got the moves. I give up. I'm tired. I'm a little sweat.